Good evening everybody. I'm making a chicken curry down here. It's really nice, yeah. But I didn't show you how I did it. But the trick is, you got to learn how to make it look like that, yeah, without even knowing how I did it. All you got to do is go online on BBC and shit, or whatever, Jamie Oliver's, what's that other lady called? What's her name? Delia Smith. Don't go on hers. And neither Nigella Lawson's either, man. Because who wants a bit of food porn? I mean, without the food. Well, that's what you get with food. I don't know. Anyway, so, hi everybody. I just want to say, I'm sorry to the reporter for making her look like an idiot in front of everyone on Twitter. Because she tried to make me look like an idiot on the internet. I don't care if I look like an idiot. That's the whole point. Because I'm trying to raise awareness for Bangladesh. No, I just thought I'd put a bit of Steve Irwin in there. I don't know if you guys remember him. Anyway, back to the curry. It's going to be ready in like 5 minutes. So I'm just going to like cheat a little bit and get microwave this pilau rice from where is it made? Swansea. Obviously it's not made in Swansea, but it says it there. Manufactured in the EU, so that could be fucking Yugoslavia or some shit. Hi Sarah, hello. So yeah, I'm gonna get that my lady friend bought me. So I'm gonna add that to that on a plate and eat that shit. Shit, what's this shit? Copper soup. You know, if I didn't have any tomatoes, I'd have put that shit in it. I do not recommend it. It's like a last resort. Oh, well, hold on. Let's go a bit more upmarket. It's like Heinz cream of tomato copper soup, and it's with fiery Mexican spices. So put that shit in it. No, I'm not. I'm just saying. And snack noodles. So you can put that, tip it in, right? And then just like see what happens. You know, what the shit is this? Right. So it's non-meat meat gravy granules. I'm gonna put that shit in it. What's this shit down here? See in mind, this is some guy left this shit here. I think it's out of date. Well, not the rice. That's alright. What? Shepherd's pie mix. Yeah, you can make a halal shepherd's pie, or a kosher one, or whatever, like a veggie one. If you put that, like soy meat, like artificial meat, or the Impossible Burger shit. I don't know. It's there anyway. Anyway, back to the curry. It's like, this is the point, right, where I would add some coriander or some cilantro or dhania. But I don't have that, unfortunately. Let's see what's in the fridge. Nothing. Like a pita bread, like margarine shit, a crumpet, and that crumpet's like 3 months old. What's this shit? Mayonnaise. I don't recommend that. Flour. What's this? Beetroot. What's that shit? Jam. No way. Beetroot's up there. Anyway, it's not mine. Some other guys. And some fucking cheese. How old's this cheese? Oh my god! It's knackered. The cheese is knackered. No, I don't know. I think that's hummus. What's this shit? Moroccan. Yeah, hummus. Yeah. Pita breads. There you go. Anyway, I'm gonna pop off soon. I just wanted to shout out to all the people who've been supporting me. I'm in this crazy neck of the woods. Yeah, there's like woods everywhere. Yeah, and scary. And there's foxes and squirrels and shit. And they come and talk to me all the time, but I don't know what the fuck they're saying half the time. Sometimes I do. I'm just looking around, man, because, you know, you don't know when the man's looking for you. Where's the man? I'm just fucking with you guys. Anyway, hope you all have a nice day. I'm just going to pretend to put some coriander in this. There you go. It's all done. Then let it settle. Some people recommend let it settle for 5 minutes and then eat. But some people let it settle for a couple of hours. Washing up liquid and shit. I'll just let it do it itself, you know, it washes itself. Right. So that's done. Heat's off. Lid's on. Extractor and light off. Let it settle for 2 hours. Even if you're hungry, let it settle for 2 hours. And if you want even a better curry, put it in the fridge. And Well, just eat it the next day and reheat it in a nice microwave. And if you don't have a nice microwave with a grill on it, use a shitty one like the one that I've got. Like the handle's fucking broke. Fuck's sake. It's not mine anyway. It belongs to whoever owns this fucking place. Right, anyway guys, it's been real nice and I'm really sorry for swearing, but I'm hungry and I'm diabetic. And, you know, I haven't eaten yet. So,